Today we're going to install Dawarich on a virtual server using Docker and Docker Compose. I already have a virtual server created, so it would be easy to have Dawarich running from here. What we're going to do is to get to GitHub, move to Docker directory. Here we already have a sample file of dockercompose.yaml. We're going to copy that. Then we need to sign in SSH into our server. Here in the directory of choice we are going to need to create the dockercompose.yaml file. I'll do that basically in the root directory, home directory of the root user. Copy and paste the file, save it. Now just run it. Docker compose dash file up. Now we're going to wait until it's pulling the images. The Docker is pulling Redis, Postgres and Dawarich itself. That will take some time. Okay, almost there. The application is trying to start. It connected to the database, creates database in Postgres. Database is created, now it's running database migrations. And almost there. Running seeds to create our first user. Okay, user created demo at dawarich.app and password is password. So now we want to go to our server. Dawarich should be running on port 3000. Is it? I guess it's not yet. Okay, and just log in. Signing in, and here we are. Basically that's it. Sample data should be created for each user. As of now, maybe it will change later, but right now creating a new user creates a sample import which will allow you to understand how Dawarich works. Basically you have a set of points that are connected to a root. Here we can disable that. We can create trips. For example, here we see that this set of points is from 12th of October 2024, so we can create a trip for these dates. And that would be it. Also, we can check stats. Here's for sample data, list of points for specified, time frame, export them basically. The date. Delete if necessary, import new data, and so on. So I guess that would be it. Thanks for watching.